Hello viewers and welcome to Paul's Train Vlogs. I'm Paul White. I'm just outside North Ryde Station and the Sydney Metro has broken down. That means Sydney Metro services are running between Macquarie Park and Tallawong. They are terminating trains at Macquarie Park and they're not running between Macquarie Park and Chatswood for the time being. Just waiting for the bus to head back to Macquarie Park, as I'm in no mood of travelling towards Chatswood. So any viewers, I'll show you the clip of what occurred a little earlier.
This is 2, this is train set 19, just to confirm and let you know, the train is in RM mode now, so proceeding towards the North Ryde, over. Roger the TCP, message received on and off.
This metro train will end at Chatswood.
We're moving now. Yeah,
Doors
they didn't
will
upset
open
anything or
on the
anything. You
right.
could see the platform and everything. It just wouldn't make sense.
Doors opening right side for exit.
On the right. Doors open on the right hand side of the train, ladies and gentlemen.
This is 2, this is train set
I'll say
19,
those
just to let you know, open the doors, lock correctly, open the doors for
Right.
passengers to
Right.
exit. Shall I make an, can you make an announcement please, over? If you hurry, please get buses from here to Chatswood. We are
One and two, these services will not be moving from this station. Please get off the services. We are arranging for bus services upstairs. Thank you.
Terminate service arriving on platform number 1.
Operational team are working on the situation. At this given time, we do have metro services running from Tallawong to Macquarie Park and Macquarie Park to Tallawong, all station stops. Please utilise our replacement buses from Macquarie Park, North Ryde and Chatswood. Thank you.
Alstrom and Metropolis set number 2 will stop at Macquarie University, then followed by Epping, Cherrybrook, then all stations to Tallawong. Anyway viewers, I just walked from North Ryde Station to Macquarie Park Station. It's a bit of an uphill, downhill incline, and I've done it in this footwear. and I survived. And the old Sydney trains related signage is still down at the other end. That's overview of platform 2. No metro services are operating on platform number 2. They will operate on platform number 1. It will terminate here, and because of a turnback facility just down there, they will terminate at Macquarie Park and return to Tallawong from platform number 1. Due to an operational issue between Macquarie Park and Chatswood, all Sydney Metro services heading towards Chatswood terminate here and return to Tallawong. So passengers required to change here for a replacement bus service that will take them to North Ryde and Chatswood, or alternatively the scenic route, and I'll show you using this network map here. Or alternatively, they can get off at Epping, walk upstairs to platforms 1 and 2, and travel all the way around
Attention customers, we have been
to the other
experiencing
side.
operational issues throughout North Ryde and Chatswood network. Please, if you're able to, please use bus replacement, as there will be no metro services travelling between Macquarie Park to Chatswood. For those who are travelling to Macquarie Park via Tallawong, you will be able to take all stops from Tallawong to Macquarie Park, and from Macquarie Park, all station stops to Tallawong. Thank you.
Holstrom Metropolis set number 18 just arrived on platform number 1, where it will terminate and then it will form a Tallawong service.
Train doors opening. Train doors closing.
Holstrom Metropolis set number 18 now departing platform number 1, Tallawong service. Next up is Macquarie Uni, followed by Epping, then all stations to Tallawong. Well, only a year ago, Tangaras and Waratahs once operated through here. A year later, they were replaced by single-deck driverless Holstrom Metropolises. What a difference 12 months makes. Normal circumstances? Not today. That arrow is temporarily pointing the opposite direction.
Train to Tallawong.
Holstrom Metropolis set number 6 will terminate here at Macquarie Park, and then it will perform a Tallawong service.
Train doors opening.
Normally, Tallawong services will be departing from platform number 2.
Train doors closing.
And Tallawong service is now departing platform number 1. Next up is Macquarie University, then followed by Epping, Cherrybrook, then all stations to Tallawong. And set number 12 just terminated here at Macquarie Park, where it will perform a Tallawong service.
Train doors opening.
And they have operational issues between North Ryde and Chatswood. So services are terminating here at Macquarie Park, and they'll return to Tallawong. So Sydney Metro is running between here and Tallawong.
Train doors opening. Train doors closing.
Macquarie Park to Chatswood. At this given time, it is still ongoing, so all services will be running from Tallawong to Macquarie Park, all stops, stations. Macquarie Park to Tallawong, stopping at all stations. If you require to go any further than Macquarie Park to Chatswood, please get off at Macquarie Park and utilise our replacement buses. Replacement buses are utilised at North Ryde and Chatswood. Thank you.
Set number 17 arriving on platform number 1. This will terminate here and then return to Tallawong.
Train doors opening.
This is a Tallawong service, not a Chatswood service. It will stop at Macquarie University, to followed by Epping, Cherrybrook, Castle Hill, then all stations to Tallawong. Ulster Metropolis, set number 17. Those which wanted to travel to North Ryde or Chatswood, they had to alight from this train and make their way upstairs, where there'll be a replacement bus service waiting for them outside the station to transport them to Chatswood. Tracks are now changing, so Tallawong service is now departing platform number 1. Should be stopping at Macquarie University, then followed by Epping, Cherrybrook, Castle Hill, Hill Showground, Norwest, Bella Vista, Kellyfield, Rouse Hill and Tallawong. Anyway, viewers, I'm going to wrap up the vlog. Please subscribe to Paul's Train Vlogs. Please feel free to like and favourite my videos, and also don't forget to please ring the notification bell to receive updates about my latest releases. And thank you for watching Paul's Train Vlogs, and I will see you in the next episode. Until next time, it's goodbye for now.